You want to try to get that now?
Oops.
Well done. Just one feet up, one feet up. You can do it. It's just there, just that one. Pull yourself up.
I can get a hand up.
Okay, last shot, because you only allowed 3. You've been up twice. I think you choose this part. Yeah, you go that one. Come on, there's one here, Len. If it's hard, that one. That's it. Well done, well done. One more. It's just there. It's there. Well done. Oh, getting higher and higher. That's one. Here. Come on. And then there's a yellow on the other side. Go. Push yourself up. Come on. No more? Okay, let go. I see the big balls. Well done.